All right, we're here to do an unboxing on the NKGIAG console table. We just got it in and they did a pretty good job trying to get it shipped here. They have different corner pieces on the box that you'll be able to see when we open this thing up. And it's taped really good, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. We'll go ahead and assemble this thing together and give you some final thoughts once we get it all put together. So we'll be back in a flash. All right, so here are the contents of the package. You've got your 4 legs. You've got your installation screws. You've got the base legs themselves. You've got your bottom shelf. And then right above that is the top piece. And notice that it is all solid wood. Right, solid wood, not particle board at all. So this is made to last. But we're going to go ahead and put this together. So again, a quick note on your installation threaded screws here. Got 2 different sizes. These smaller pieces go into the top, and then these bigger ones go into the base of the legs, and we'll show you how that works right now. All right, so here we go. Again, like I said, you take your smaller threaded bolts and you just screw them into the top of the base. Now don't forget, guys, this piece of furniture requires 0 tools, so you don't need any tools other than your fingers, other than your hands. And these screw in just like so. Once you run into the resistance, that's as far as they go. And then you take your legs, and all you have to do, guys, is screw in the legs, because on both sides of these legs is the hardware needed to attach the leg to the top of the table. All right, you're going to take your longer ones now and screw them into the tops of the base. Just like that, guys. And then when you're done with that, you're going to take your bottom shelf and simply align the pre-drilled holes with your threaded bolts, just like so. Fits on just like that. All right, and the other thing that's nice, guys, is the fact that the set includes these furniture pads that prevent tearing up your floors. And so we've already peeled them and stuck them on. But after you've stuck them on, or if you want to wait till after you install and then stick them on, your call. You simply screw them in, just like so. There it is. Now we're going to go ahead and flip this over. Carefully laying it to its side. Again, it's got some weight to it because it's real wood, not too heavy. But again, ready? No tools to put your flat black table, 2 shelves, 2-tier, I guess you'd say, table together. All right, so there it is, guys. Another closer look of the 45-inch console table. Again, made with solid wood. And again, it's got that vintage spindle leg look. It is great for a hallway table, maybe a sofa table behind the couch. But again, don't forget that it required 0 tools to put this thing together. So again, if you're in the market for a entryway table or a console table, such as this one, with this type of look, with that additional storage space there at the bottom of the table itself, then you really want to give this one a good look and pick it up off of Amazon today.